Good morning, children. How are you all? Today I am going to teach you fruits and vegetables. Okay? Can you see the first fruit on the screen, children? What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. Repeat after me, children. Apple. So the next fruit we are going to learn is strawberry. What is this, children? Strawberry. Repeat after me, children. Strawberry. The next fruit we are going to learn is grapes. What is this, children? Grapes. Repeat after me, children. Grapes. The next fruit we are going to learn is pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. What is this? Pineapple. The next fruit we are going to learn is banana. What is this, children? Banana. Repeat after me, children. Banana. The next fruit we are going to learn is watermelon. Last week we didn't learn this, is it? Yes. So this is a new fruit which I am going to teach you. What is this? Watermelon. What is this? Watermelon. This is good for health. And we get this in summer season only. Okay? The next fruit we are going to learn is jackfruit. What is this? Jackfruit. Repeat after me, children. Jackfruit. The next fruit we are going to learn is mango. Yes. Everyone likes mango, is it? It is very sweet and yummy. So everyone likes mango. So what fruit is this? Mango. Repeat after me, children. Mango. No. Now we are going to learn is vegetables. What is this, children? Vegetables. Last week we learned this, is it? Carrot. What is this? Carrot. What is this, children? Carrot. So what did I say last week for carrot? Carrot, if you eat, is good for eyes and for skin. So you can eat even carrot raw also. Okay? So what vegetable is this, children? Carrot. So the next vegetable we are going to learn is lady's finger. What is this? Lady's finger. What is this? Lady's finger. So what did I say last week about lady's finger? It is good for memory power. So we can eat this also, but not raw. You should fry and eat. The next vegetable we are going to learn is tomato. Yeah, tomato is also good for skin. So even you can eat raw. So what vegetable is this? Tomato. What vegetable is this? Tomato. The next vegetable we are going to learn is brinjal. What is this, children? Brinjal. What is this, children? Brinjal. The next vegetable we are going to learn is potato. Last week we learned this also, is it? Potato. What is this, children? Potato. The next, what vegetable is this, children? Chilli. Repeat after me, children. Chilli. Repeat after me, children. Chilli. The next vegetable we are going to see is onion. What is this, children? Onion. Repeat after me, children. Onion. Next one, beetroot. What vegetable is this, children? Beetroot. Repeat after me, children. Beetroot. The next vegetable we are going to see is cabbage. What is this, children? Cabbage. Repeat after me, children. Cabbage. The next vegetable we are going to see is beans. What is this, children? Beans. What is this, children? Beans. The next vegetable we are going to see is ginger. Oh, we use this only for gravy. We cannot eat this, but we can make tea and drink in this. Okay, children? So what vegetable is this? Ginger. Repeat after me, children. Ginger. The next vegetable we are going to see is garlic. Garlic is also very good for health, children. We even can eat it raw also. Okay? What vegetable is this, children? Garlic. Repeat after me, children. Garlic. So today class is over, children. And thank you for writing the homework and sending me voice record and videos. Thank you so much for all the children who are taking effort to learn. Okay? And if you have any doubts, you can call me and you can ask me. I will definitely pick your call and I will reply for you. Okay, children? Take care. Be careful at home. Bye, children. Children, now we are going to match the vegetables. Okay? See how I am doing, children. See? Potato. See, is matched. So here is tomato. So what we have to do is from here go up, match it. The next one is carrot. Can you see, children? From here you come down, match it. Okay. Next is chili. Can you see, children? From here come down, match the chili. Next we have is onion. From here you go up and match it. So can you see, children? This is the way you have to do. Match the vegetables. So this is homework for you. And next we are going to tick the vegetables. So is this a vegetable? Yes. Is this a vegetable? Yes. What is this? Cucumber. So we give a tick. What vegetable is this? Cucumber. So you give a tick. And then next we are going to see where is the next vegetable. Here. What is this, children? Cabbage. So give a tick. What vegetable is this? Cabbage. What vegetable is this? Cabbage. And next vegetable we are going to see is lady's finger. What is this, children? Lady's finger. So what we are going to do? Give a tick. So what vegetable is this? Lady's finger. What vegetable is this? Lady's finger. And the next we are going to tick is chilli. This is also a vegetable only. Chilli. What is this? Chilli. And then next we are going to put a wrong for the other vegetables. See, you have to put like this. So what is this? A flower. What flower is this? Sunflower. What flower is this? Sunflower. Next, what is this, children? This is a fruit. Watermelon. So we put a wrong for it. What is this? Watermelon. And next this is pomegranate. So we put a cross for it. What is this, children? Pomegranate. Next we are going to see is orange. So we put a sign for this. What is this, children? Orange. So this you have to try for homework.